Kajantia Hills Development Society sahisin pat kala penlong ye ke program Lekman Advance Christmas harengkat bat kena kibawan ke longging ke baduk ha ke program ke bala penlong ha office terai kamjong ke JHDS ke badan halom bi sentu mi mentedu West Jantia Hills District. Kekong manda kini nong tedu Center Coordinator Childline kala penyak ye ke jingelang ha ke jingidan lang director ke JHDS Father Manbha Pakem Coordinator ke JHDS uba Dennis Kurkalang dalor ki staff bat ki khot jong ke JHDS. Father Manbha Pakem ula sam ye ke khubor Christmas ban pediang ye ke jingman long breu nong pen em utrai Jesus Christ.
Kecing kekeli cong oi, mo hab ye kelam bisa tai, hab ong ki, hab betai ki, ngah hab ye sai nang betai ki. Rai buk sim chat ni tinggi bagi pau tam kana la tam kana bi, mo wa mem tang exam ki kon bi, la ni wa mem lai school day ki, ti siapa kana, siapa penting, kenang wa yo itif.
To say thank you, to say thank Father Manpapakem who helped me to get education, sponsorship for me. Thank you so much, Father. May God bless you. I also thank Miss Marina Kuke who support me in my study, just like my parents. I promise to pray for you always and do better in my study. Thank you so much. May God bless you. Thank you.